I unveil to you the Zion Free Old People's Home and the Psychiatric Hospital in AGULUERI, Anambra State. Yeah, Zion Ministry na-eri ego n'ụzọ kwesịrị ekwesị ebe a. N'anya hia o na inechasịcha anya ebe a wee ka na-ekwu okwu ọjọọ maka Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Ịmara na iso na ndị Igbo achọghị ife ọma. Ịmara na iso na ndị Igbo achọghị ife ọma. Iso na ndị Igbo achọghị ife ọma. Ebe a kịta awụ ofisis wee feda ebe a. Ebe a kịta ya na-aba ofisis wee feda ebe a. Ofisis wee feda ebe a. Up to the last one. Offices we fed eba up to the last one. Offices bagidole eba bagidowe eba anime up to the last one. Now just sit down. Just sit down and go with me on this ride. Careful. Now Evangelist Ebuka Obi furu ndị Igbo n'anya. Ọ furu ndị Igbo n'anya nke ukwuu. You gotta go. Then eba this first place eba is more reception with toilet and bathroom near the bar. Then eba a ward. You got that? A ward. Defa. Ebe flow ward. For cement. Of course, cement. For cement. But this solid work, I will eba. Okay, eba chapel. If I'm not mistaken, I think this one is chapel. Yeah, this is the chapel. This is the chapel. About chapel. About chapel. Yes. Ebe ni dona kanini na batan seta bumbu ebe the holy the Califende Catholic in about there. Eba haya Blessed Virgin Mary. This first building, chapel and the offices there. Then we go to this second building. This is the second building to here. This second building. This place again, what the offices, reception like, where you will come in first before you will be allowed to go into the ward hostel or rooms. This is a very big massive structure, let me put it that way. The more like a ward. I'm on a ward no ya do under draw. But I think bed ya do gas. Eba kita bed ya do gas. Bed ya do gas eba. Execute always bo bed how bed di mma ya wonya no do comfortable. Eba kita ka washroom. Ka kita washroom from then on at this particular, let me use word for this particular word or this particular room or room room. Because toilet and bathroom, washroom for the particular people here known at that room. Yes. Then about kitchen, About kitchen fa. About kitchen, ya de sini, aya de nyende nona this room, this big room, massive room is in a web. I'm talking of this room. This room now. Among how many bed capacity? Oh, but as we go out from this one, we'll enter another one, which is this one. Yes, this is another one. This is another room. Among how many bed capacity? Yeah, the one at this one. Mmadụ onega nọ na nka. Ịghọtara? Mmadụ onega nọ na this one. I don't know how many people that will be in this one. No, this one will reception, I think, as I was told. This one will reception, even the biare from Madu Merikeno. Go. Then this one will a room call. A room call. A big room among how many bed capacity a megacelia. Game and I may by bed capacity, only can go 50 rooms, bed capacity, 30, 40, depending, 20, depending. Car washroom on this side. Car washroom on this side. And this is also the toilet and the kitchen for this one. This is the kitchen for this one. And if I name a bablo, ngongo maz. Ngongo maz. If free, if I are free for all. Free for all. Imani mwelu. Agadi wanyi kalonka. Or agadi muke kalonka. Pour ha the phone. Aye nwe helpline. Pour e wulu moto. Be about blow nya. Buto nya here. Free. Aye take dokia. Aye nwe hands here. With nothing less than 1,000 people that will be working in this facility. Zion Ghana as in 1,000. Over 1,000 people. Yanon at this particular facility. We will still go behind them. This one with the psychiatric hospital. Psychiatric home. Psychiatric home. But this particular section I on air for old people. You want to go? This particular eba, you know, for old people. So only well, agadi wine more agadi woke. Ibute heba, I take adequate care of them. Or no yes, we 10 years, you know, when you can go 20 or 30. Kaipono ke wolanya bal. I hope believe. You want to go? Fenina and Kwaga we have talked about this project for a long time, so it's time to unveil it. Remember, this one with 2 big rooms in form of what but rooms. Then this one with chapel and the offices. You know, when you come in, then not une in afwebe niketa, une in afweba keta weba haya bo Blessed Virgin Mary eba keta eflo. They got to go close to the chapel and the offices. More like admission offices where you have to come in first, then you go there, they take details, and you know, so forth and so forth. Then this one is another structure. This one, the massive, this one, Keta Ebuka. You can see, this one with double wing. This one, Keta with double wing. Okay, for here, with double wing, okay, for here, here. The other one, not the one is here, more like double wing, in Canwell. Left and right wing. How very fair. I banime this one. Careful. You gotta go. Let the Zion we move. Let the Zion we move. And I say, God bless Evangelist Ebuka Obi. God bless Evangelist Ebuka Obi. And may God bless the Zionite all over the world. Eba ketao reception. Eba ketao reception. You gotta go. Eba reception call. Reception call. This place may be also admission room. Ebatazieba. Efo this one keta. This one over a room. I think where they will be putting people with special attention. Maybe people that need special attention here. There may be 2 or 3 here with their self-contained toilet and bathroom here. Maybe people who deserve special attention depending on their condition. They will be put here, about 2 or 3 of them, or maybe 1, depending on the condition. This one, a big room. This one is a big room. Yeah, this one is a big room. Yeah, look at this one. About few people inside with their toilet and bathroom. Yes, about their toilet and bathroom, depending on the condition of those people. Depending on the condition of those people. Then if we from can well, that side there were another wing, here one other wing. On central one. batakwa ebe a isi ebe a ba ebe ọkwa ịfụkwara nke akwụkwa a massive room with a lot of bed capacities here. Then this particular one, when you come out from here, you see the washroom. You see the washroom here. The washroom for this one is here. The washroom for this one is here at the center. Doors, tiles, almost everything needed for this project inside here, both outside. I will show you. But here again. This one and na bakwane. Room called first, have you seen how big this place is? Look at this one. This is another room. Okay, maybe for few people again, depending on the condition. Well, old people, well, special conditions, when they had to strange, well, depending. That is how they will be put in different walls. Depending on the area, depending on the health challenge, depending on their age, according to age. Like I said, the psychiatric hospital that one was psychiatric hospital. So I finish go now the first wing get done at this building. Let us go to the second wing. Still at the same building. Yes, here we are going to the second wing. We are going to the second wing. Yes, look at the second wing here. Look at the second wing here. One no for Evangelist Ebuka Obi to oye. Akuluno nkembo. Nenka wo a big room again. Now this wing. Remember, we have gone to the first wing and we are here at the second one. You see, massive rooms with enough ventilation. On the the other one not on a center. Remember, onwelu left and the right wing with the center room again. Look at another big room again. Look at this one again. This one is another big room. This one another big room. Washroom here. Toilet and bathroom here. People here according to their age. They do too old. Ebe ha no ndị ka ya da akpagharị nwere ike nọrụ in a ward buru ibu. Then ndị nwere health challenges ayeti ha na different rooms depending on the quantity according to ndị nwere many different health challenges. Nekwa this room bukwara ibu. Nekwa washroom ye. Ngonwa mana ego ka a na-eri here and ife niile ga-abụ free. Nwere nke ị ga-akwụ 1 naira na yo. Nwere nke ị ga-akwụ 1 naira na fini now free of charge. Zion Zion we move. Our belief. Go man our belief. May God bless Evangelist Ebuka Obi. May God bless Zionite all over the world. Go. This one, the Kishin go for this side. I remember this is the reception. This is the reception stroke waiting room. Reception stroke waiting room. Where you give your own na your mother or your father or your grandmother. When you go on a hana or no where if I name or no na la hola or na han on a chapel. Each and every block who know here will waiting room. Okay? You want to go? Each and every block who know here will waiting room. Okay? You want to go? Then you come outside. Then this is if you need the first wing this side, then need the second wing this side. Then let us go to another one. The kotuke ma hana come on. The kobondo ma hana come on. Ne saja material on site. Ne tiles. For tiles. If you need on a site. Nke bada trailer ke ju elu to tema cement eba. Na anya hotoko. Nanya here. Okay, build an eyeball, both left and the right wing. Then look at another one. Yeah? Look at another one. Yeah? Name tiles. Akwa go busy akwa. Yeah? Akwa